Alright, so a friend asked me to do an EDC update. That's what this is. Leatherman style PS. Money clip. 4.7's MLX. Can never remember that. It's running Korea XML Generation 2 from a single CR123. Still Fisher Bullet. Lamy Vista. It's not filled right now. Microfiber cloth. Glasses. Slats rescue belt. Paracord. Moleskin notebook. If I'm out and about. Zippo. My phone. Paracord bracelets. Casio DW5600. My keys. I'm not going to show that. And yeah, knives. Knives are always fun. Either Spyderco Ambitious or CRKT Minimalist. I don't know what's with people carrying a million knives. You only need one. And that's probably the shortest EDC update I've ever done. That's it.